Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. My YouTube channel is called Rachel Went Shopping. I talk about all things shopping, but mainly luxury fashion and especially handbags. Today I have a super exciting video for you. It is my Fendi Marc Jacobs collaboration unboxing. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I made a full breakdown of the Fendi Marc Jacobs runway show and all the pieces that I loved, as well as some of the pieces that I wanted to pick up from this collection, but this video is going to be what I actually bought. So the show for the 25th anniversary originally took place in September. It featured the Tiffany collaboration, the Sarah Jessica Parker collaboration, as well as the Marc Jacobs collaboration that were all part of the 25th anniversary. The Tiffany collaboration actually came out in January, I believe, between December and January, and the Sarah Jessica Parker collaboration came out at the same time. We had to wait until May for the Marc Jacobs collaboration to happen. So if you signed up for the emails on the Fendi website, you were able to shop the full collection on May 10th, and then it was officially released to the public, I guess, on May 11th. How did I get this piece? As soon as I saw the show, I contacted Fendi customer service because I do not have a local Fendi boutique in my state. So I was able to get connected with a sales associate, I believe in New Jersey, and I told him exactly what I wanted. Again, this was way back in September when the show debuted, and then we've kept in touch since. Back then, I was interested, if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I was very interested in the Maxi denim baguette and then one of the crystal baguettes, depending on the pricing. I knew that the medium one was probably going to be way too expensive, but the mini, what ended up being the phone pouch, might have been more in my price range, but you'll have to wait and see what I actually picked up. Take all of that into account and tell me what you think I actually bought down in the comments. Okay, let's get into the Fendi Marc Jacobs unboxing because I know you guys want to see what I got, and I cannot wait to open this and see what it looks like in person. Let's go ahead and open this. I already took the tags off, and then after I open it, I will show you, or I'll tell you a little bit more about the items that I didn't end up purchasing that were on my wish list and why I didn't end up buying them. So here we go. This is going to be a live reaction. There's the Fendi bag, Fendi yellow. Oh, there's a little note inside. It says, "Thank you for choosing Fendi. Fusing craftsmanship with the spirit of innovation, Fendi expresses a creative and contemporary vision of luxury since 1925. We hope you'll cherish your new purchase for years to come. Sincerely, Fendi." And then it has the receipt and a return label, which hopefully I won't be using. Okay, it looks like I went to the store, even though there's no store by me. So cute. You've got the ribbon up top there and all of the tissue paper. What do you guys think I got? Put your guesses in the comments. Okay, guys, you can probably tell if you guessed right or not based on the size of this box, but which one did I get? Here's the box. God, oh my God, I just got a glimpse. Oh my God, you guys. Holy sparkle. This is crazy. Okay, where's the strap? Oh my God. The sparkle on this is insane. You cannot even see it. I don't think you can even see it on camera how insanely sparkly this is. There's also sparkle on the buckle. This is so cute. Look at this top handle. It's all metal. It's super heavy. You've got the keychain on the back, the little key ring. Of course, it has a magnetic closure. And then inside, you've got a little card slot there. Oh, wait. No. Oh, no. It doesn't have the long strap. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. I'm really nervous. Am I missing something? Okay, the leather strap is missing, so I'm going to have to contact my Fendi sales associate. I'm sad right now. I'm gonna send him a text right now. Let's see if I can get a response. I really hope he responds to me ASAP. I'm super nervous. Okay. I'm gonna try to relax and not freak out because I'm assuming that Fendi is going to resolve this issue and tell you why I bought this beautiful bag, even though I'm super disappointed that I am not able to try this on for you because I wanted to show you how cute it is. This bag does not fit a lot in it. It's very small. This is my first Nano Baguette. What it does fit is a card. Very easily, it fits right in the card slot there. And then it can fit a chapstick, and it could also fit my car keys in there. So that's pretty much all you need for a night out. It would be great if it fit a lipstick, or a lip gloss, but I'll have to get a more like mini lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why I ended up getting the Nano Baguette, and that is because the price of the medium baguette was $11,800, and there was no way I was spending $12,000 on that bag. Seeing how beautiful these stones are, there is no doubt in my mind that that is an insanely beautiful bag, but that is just a little too expensive in my opinion. I was very interested in the mini size, which ended up being a phone pouch, but that didn't end up releasing, at least in the US. I don't know what that would have been priced at, but that is definitely something that I would have been interested in had it been released. The other items that I was very interested in purchasing, if you watch my previous video, was the Maxi denim baguette and then some jewelry items. Now, the Maxi denim baguette, I was very confident in my video that I could style that bag even though it looked very light in color. However, when I got the pictures of it, I was hoping that it was going to be light denim, light wash, have a little bit of blue tone. I got the pictures of it and it just looked so white in the pictures, I panicked. I remember I confidently said I could style that with a leather jacket. I just then could not envision it. So I wear a lot of all black. I either wear all black or I wear brights, but I mainly wear all black with a black leather jacket. I could not picture myself with that bag. I was worried about color transfer. I just started to panic. And then with the $4,300 price tag, I just could not pull the trigger on that one. Okay, he just wrote back and asked if it was in the duster bag. And it's not in the dust bag. It's not in any of the tissue paper. I'm so sad right now. Okay, he said no worries. He's gonna find out, so we're gonna remain calm. Texting him right now. He's responsive. That's great. This bag would look so cute as a bag charm on that Maxi denim bag. Again, it's the $4,000, $300 price point, and the fact that it's white that I'm struggling with. I don't own any white bags. I mean, okay, now you can see one there. I have a Coach Cherry bag, but I don't invest lots of money into white bags, so I just couldn't do it. I will say I just saw Karen Britchick post the full denim outfit. It looks so cute, and seeing it on her pictures, it does look like it has a tinge of blue to it. I'm still just like really torn. I'd rather see it in person, but that's not a possibility for me right now. And again, I don't feel like spending $4,000, so that's why I didn't end up buying it. I still kind of want it. It might show up. I'm not going to make any promises, but right now I'm stopping myself. This is my little consolation prize from the collection. This is gorgeous. The other pieces I wanted from the collection were the cuff bracelets from the runway show and the necklace that she was wearing with one of the t-shirt looks. Those also weren't released, at least in the US that I saw. The t-shirt, the oversized t-shirt, I did also strongly consider. It was $850, but my husband named off 10 different things that I was gonna spill on that shirt, and he's right. So $850 for an all-white t-shirt is just not a good investment for me. Not that a t-shirt is an investment to begin with. No, I'm not gonna waste the money. I'm gonna be a civilized person here. I'm not gonna get blinded by this. The crystal part was the best part, my favorite part of the collection. That's what I ended up with. So this retailed for $1,980, and I'm going to tell you why I thought that that ended up being a good price. Part of that is because it has this hefty metal cute adorable top handle. You also have the keychain obviously at the back that can be tucked down so it can be hidden. And it came with that crossbody strap that I don't have right now, and I'm really sad. But we're gonna get that resolved. You can see that it's like this nubuck material almost, like it looks suede, but I'm guessing it's nubuck. There is the crystal piece. So let's pull up a few examples of why I thought this was worth it. So if you remember the Fendi Versace collaboration, I did not end up buying anything from that collaboration because I don't have a personal attachment to Versace. It's never been my favorite brand, which I know is shocking, but that's just the case. However, my favorite pieces from that collection that I did consider were the 2 Nano bags. I originally wanted the pink one that wasn't released, but there was the gold one that was released. That one retailed for $13.90, and it was the gold mesh with the gold buckle with the Versace Medusa head, the safety pin, and then it has the chain strap. $13.90, okay? So keep in mind, this one is $600 more than that. But the one that I really loved from that collection was the Nano baguette charm that came with the huge chunky gold chain that was covered in crystals, including crystals around the buckle. That one retailed for $3,190. So $1,000 more for that. Yes, it came with that bulky gold metal chain, which was a great detail, but it did not have the top handle and it did not have the crossbody strap option. Again, I think this one is actually a little more fun and a little more versatile. So when you compare that $1,000 price difference, this was actually a really good deal. Again, if you also compare that to the $11,800 price of the medium baguette, this is also a good deal. What I loved about this was the mixture of the baguette crystals with the round crystals. And I know you can't tell that it spells out the word Fendi on the Nano, but I still think it's a striking mixture that just adds sparkle to it. Can you see? No, you can't really make out any of the letters, but it just adds this dimension to the sparkle. So cute that you could hold it from the top handle. You could wear it as a little crossbody for just a bag and a lipstick and your keys. This is probably the most expensive tiny bag I will ever buy. I don't plan on investing $2,000 in teeny tiny bags ever again in my future, but this is the perfect way to add the Fendi Marc Jacobs collaboration to my collection for a under $4,000 price tag and get to add in the crystal. Guys, this bag is beautiful. I'm confident that my sales associate will resolve the crossbody strap issue for me. I'm like scared to remove this just in case I have to like send it back or something, but I really am happy that I picked this bag up. I still want the Denim Maxi baguette. I don't want to pay $4,000 for it. And if I ever see the $11,800 crystal bag on the resale market for a good price, you know, 5-10 years from now, I will definitely pick that up. So this is the 4th baguette in my collection. I have 3 medium baguettes. This is my first Nano baguette. I'm super excited to add it. I cannot wait to try it on for you as like a little crossbody pouch so you guys can see what it looks like. But unfortunately, since I don't have the strap, I can't do that for you right now. This was a unique unboxing. This is the first unboxing of mine I think that's gone wrong. I don't like that feeling, but stay tuned and subscribe to my channel to see how this gets resolved. And then when I do get that strap, I will show you guys what it looks like. I'm not gonna let this sour my experience because I really do love this bag. I think it's beautiful and I cannot wait to wear it out for a girls' night one night. And this is my Mother's Day gift to myself. So I work hard. I deserve nice things. This is what I've purchased for myself. It's way too much money to spend on a teeny tiny bag, but I love it. So I hope you guys like it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you love luxury handbags, if you want to see what happens when I get this resolved. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave a comment and let me know if you picked anything up from this collection, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.